The Volkswagen Golf is one of the most popular and enduring models in automotive history. First introduced in 1974, the Golf has since become a global icon, with over 35 million units sold in its 45-year history. The Golf was designed to replace the aging Volkswagen Beetle as the company's flagship vehicle. Its compact size and efficient engine made it a popular choice in the fuel-conscious 1970s, and its modern styling and superior handling made it a hit with drivers. The first-generation Golf, known as the Mark I, was produced from 1974 to 1983. It was available as a two-door or four-door hatchback, and was powered by a range of gasoline and diesel engines. The Mark I Golf was a critical and commercial success, winning the prestigious European Car of the Year award in 1975. In 1983, Volkswagen introduced the second-generation Golf, known as the Mark II. It featured a more aerodynamic design, improved handling, and a range of new engines. The Mark II Golf was also a success, and was produced until 1992. The third-generation Golf, known as the Mark III, was introduced in 1991. It was larger and more spacious than the previous models, and was available with a range of new safety features. The Mark III Golf was also the first model to feature Volkswagen's TDI diesel engine, which offered improved fuel economy and lower emissions. The fourth-generation Golf, known as the Mark IV, was introduced in 1997. It featured a more modern and streamlined design, and was available with a range of new features such as air conditioning, power windows, and heated seats. In 2004, Volkswagen introduced the fifth-generation Golf, known as the Mark V. It featured a more refined and luxurious design, and was available with a range of high-tech features such as satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and automatic climate control. The sixth-generation Golf, known as the Mark VI, was introduced in 2008. It featured a more efficient engine lineup, as well as improved safety features and handling. The seventh-generation Golf, known as the Mark VII, was introduced in 2012. It was lighter and more fuel-efficient than the previous models, and featured a range of advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. The most recent iteration of the Golf, known as the Mark VIII, was introduced in 2020. It features a range of advanced features such as digital instrument displays, voice recognition, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Despite the changing automotive landscape and increasing competition, the Volkswagen Golf has remained a popular and iconic model. Its reputation for quality, reliability, and performance has made it a favorite among drivers around the world, and it shows no signs of slowing down anytime soon.